It makes no difference because this works all over the world. You only have to do this once and then you can sit back and earn money from pure passive income. And I will show you how to do this in today's video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the method I'm going to show you today is based on this website called cafepress.com. You can purchase a variety of products on this website. As you can see, there are a variety of t-shirts, hoodies, bags, car accessories, and many more. But don't worry, we won't be paying anything to this site. You don't have to spend $1 for this method to work, which begs the question, what are we going to do here? So we'll be making money with the site, and we'll accomplish that just by designing some of these products on this website, which allows you to design a t-shirt online using only your laptop, and the website will take care of the rest. And you won't have to be concerned about things like shipping. Now later on, I'll show you a free tool that will greatly assist you and allow you to build products with essentially no design skills. Uploading images will be the majority of your effort. In any event, you can have a look at this website for yourself, but what I really want to show you is how you get started selling when you get here, which you can do it by going all the way down to the bottom of the website and click on Start Selling. That will take you directly to this page where you can learn more about how it all works. It's essentially what I was referring to earlier. You upload a design for a product, whether it's apparel, mugs, or whatever, and they handle everything for you from marketing to selling to shipping, and you will get paid by doing so. That's all there is to it. Now, one of the most significant aspects of this site is the traffic it gets, which is where SimilarWeb.com comes in. You may use this to see how many people visit a specific website each month, and check it out. In the last month, millions and millions of visitors have visited Cafe Press. This is incredibly important information that I need to share with you guys because the more people who visit this site, the more money you can make, and considering how much traffic it receives, you can absolutely make a substantial amount of money with the site. To begin selling your products, click on Add Designs here, which will take you to this page where you'll need to click on Create an Account, which as you can see above is completely free. Simply enter your email address and password and then click the Create Account button. After that, go to your Gmail account and look for an open message from Cafe Press that looks like this. Then click on the link to activate your account. With that being said, I'm going to go into my account and show you what you'll see if you do so. Okay, so I've just entered into my account, and all you have to do now is hover your mouse over Create and select the product to design. The best thing about this website is how deep freeze the products are. If you design a t-shirt, a bag, a mug, you'll be able to make a lot more money because you'll have a lot of more potential customers. For the purpose of this video, I will be using a t-shirt, but there are plenty of other options available for you. When you choose your product category, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose the actual product you want to design and see how much it costs. Simply take this t-shirt as an example. When you choose your products, you'll have a lot of customization options. You can select the color, size, quantity, as well as upload any image you want to your fresh new t-shirt when you click on Add Image. As some of you may have already guessed, this is why I mentioned you'll be doing nothing but uploading images. But bear with me because I'll show you where you can acquire those exact images, which will be revealed in just a moment. I will also give you some suggestions and tips on the types of images that you should utilize. Now, Cafe Press, as you've seen, not only offers a wide range of customizing options, but it's also quite user-friendly. Overall, it's a fantastic website. After all of that, let me show you the website where you can download the images and then print them on your t-shirt. png3.com is the name of the website. We use this website for 3 different reasons. First and foremost, as you can see here, royalty-free PNG images. You are free to use the photos you downloaded for commercial purposes. As a result, you'll have no trouble putting them on your clothes and selling them for profit. The second reason is that they are available for free download. As you can see, there is no cost to utilize this website, and it also provides you with hundreds upon thousands of images to choose from. Now, when you first come here, you must first sign up. You can do so by clicking here and enter your basic information. That is all there is to it. In any case, what types of images should you download? As some of you are probably thinking right now. Well, I have several suggestions for you, and it is the animal type images. These in my opinion are the best. So for example, you can go after dogs and cats. This is due to the fact that people love animals, and there are a lot of them. As a result, you should be able to generate a large amount of profit. When you log in, if you want to search for a photo you want to download, and as you can see, I've already done that with cat photos. Simply hover your cursor over it and click on PNG right here, or open the image and click on free download right here, and that's basically it. Now with a free account, you can download 2 images per day, but that's more than enough because it means you'll be able to create 2 different product designs. You may pay for the service to download limitless photos every single day, but I don't think that's required. Anyway, I'll go ahead and download one of these and use it to create my new t-shirt design. As you can see, this here is quite nice. You might include some text or whatever you like. Finally, I'll leave some of the decisions up to you because I'm confident you'll be able to handle them. Simply repeat the method I've just shown you. Choose one of the product to design, grab a photo from pngtree.com, upload it, complete your design, and then sell it for profit. The best part is that you'll be earning money in the form of passive income because your designs will remain on the site forever. As a result, some people may purchase months after you've actually created them. Right now, with the pandemic situation that we're in, it is best to find an easy and simple side hustles that pays very well, and you can do it in the comfort of your own home. I recommend you to try this method that I have just shown. That's how you can earn a lot of money using the method that I just showed you lately. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.